What the hell?
Yeah, right?
Bro, was that driver not seeing?
Car wreck.
I 92442V 924 928 42V 924 928 42V 928 42V 928 42V. Thank you so much. You scared me, girl. I thought you were coming for me. I'm glad.
like. Sure. I do not know even what to say, bro.
Bridging
Like, I just
proposal.
could
Do
not
you know
even
what's
finish
in
to
it?
say what I want to say. Another accident,
Blinken
bro.
and the others have not said exactly, how this proposal would overcome.
You just called it a bridging proposal. Do you know what's in it?
No, Blinken and the others have not said exactly, how this proposal would overcome the outstanding issues, but we do know what those issues are. First, Hamas wants a permanent end to the war.
Bike.
Shay.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Sorry, he was not stopping.
No, he was not. Straight, dude.
Yep.
No, but that was the proper thing to do, put in your left ear. Right. You know what I'm saying? So with me having it in my left ear, I'm in love. Sideways. The lady did, the older lady.
Yo. Bro wanted to make a U-turn in the middle of the highway, bro.
Oh, what the hell is this person doing? Oh. What the hell?
Stinks. I-70 East is still closed.
Turn left onto Minnesota Avenue. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto North 4th Street.
Jesus Christ, bro. Bro, come on. And you gonna do it to somebody else. Look at you.
Damn, bro.
Moron.
pistol whip, beaten, bound, flying drones. Let's bring in Aurora, Colorado City Council member Danielle Jurinsky. Danielle,
Shake. Yo. What the hell? They say I was recorded by my father. He woke up away with minor injury. Yeah.
So emergency, police, fire, EMS?
Yes, I do.
Okay, we'll get some.
Oh my god, barbecue了，真的 barbecue 了，barbecue 了。
Yo. Hit and run. Yo guys, yo, thanks for watching till the end of the video. If you enjoy the content, like you feel like the video is informative, please let me know in the comment section what you think about my reaction, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button. That will help me a lot. Just like I said, that will help me a great. I'm not gonna lie, you see. So yeah, thanks for watching once more.